Namaskaram, Shri Mahaganapatiye Namaha, Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to Bhagavad Pada Samarpanam. In today's clip of Bhagavad Pada Samarpanam, we shall chant, learn, and understand slokas 8, 9, and 10 of Narayaniyam Dashakam 2. Dashakam 2, Sloka 8. Nishkamam niyatasvadarmacharanam yatkarma yogabhidam tad दूरेत्यफलं यदौपनिषद् ज्ञानोत्फलभ्यं पुनः तत्त्वव्यक्ततया सुदुर्गमतरं चित्तस्य तस्माद्विभो त्वत्प्रेमात्मकभक्तिरेव सततं स्वाधीयसि श्रेयसि. Karma Yoga, which consists of all the actions that we perform all through our births without having any desire towards the results. To yield the results of Karma Yoga, it would take a very, very long time. On the other hand, Jnana Yoga is available in the concepts that are enunciated in the Upanishads. It is extremely difficult to follow, as taking grip of all our sensory organs would mean that we need to control so many natural instincts, be in a state of brahmacharya or celibacy, and to be able to do this in the right way would mean many years of practice, and in the Kali Yuga that we are in, we are bound to be distracted. Nevertheless, O Lord, the devotion to you is based on pure love to you, which is so very sweet and satisfying. Dashakam 2, Sloka 9. अत्यायासकराणि कर्मपटलान् आश्चर्यनिर्यन्मलाः बोधे भक्तिपते तवाप्युचितताम् आयान्ति किं तावता क्लिष्ट्वा तर्कपते परं तव वपुः ब्रह्माख्यमन्ये पुनः चित्राद्रत्वमृते विचिन्त्य बहुभिः सिद्ध्यन्ति जन्मान्तरैः. Bhattadri here asks, what is the use of some people struggling all through their life after doing several karmas and not being able to focus and cleanse their minds? It gets very exhausting and hard indeed to cleanse the mind and hearts and become suitable to follow the Jnana Yoga and thereby getting bhakti. We also find some others who are struggling to attain the divine bliss by practicing various intellectual exercises and failing through the process and having to lose so many years in trial and error process and remain troubled without their mind getting softened, but meditating on the concept of Brahman and getting salvation after passing through several cycles of birth. Dashakam 2, Sloka 10. त्वत्भक्तिस्तु कथारसामृतजरी निर्मज्जनेन स्वयं सिद्ध्यन्ति विमलप्रबोधपदवीम् अक्लेशतस्थन्वती सद्यः सिद्धिकरी जयत्ययि विभो सैवास्तु मे त्वत्पद प्रेम प्रौढिरसाद्रता द्रुततरं वातालयाधीश्वर. O Lord, the very universe, the God of Guruvayur, since the Bhakti Marg, devotion consists of getting drowned in the nectarine happiness of telling and hearing the stories about the Supreme Lord and leads to easy and comfortable steps for opening the doors of divine knowledge, which leads to the victorious salvation instantly. Bhattadri asks, please bless me and all the people who with pure devotion and love towards you be able to speedily make our minds melt with wonderful love towards you. Who doesn't like to hear the stories of the Lord? Everyone loves to hear the stories. This slokam is so beautifully created, which entails the path of attaining the eternal bliss through deep devotion and pure love towards the Lord, just by hearing his stories and singing his praise. Bhattadri through this slokam is requesting the Lord to grant this divine bliss to him and to all the people who shower their love to the Lord. Now let us chant all the 3 slokas we learned today, and in our next clip of Bhagavad Pada Samarpana, chant all the slokas in Narayanyam Dashakam 2. Dashakam 2, Sloka 8. निष्कामं नियतस्वधर्मचरणं यत्कर्मयोगाभिधं तद्दूरेत्यफलं यदौपनिषद् ज्ञानोपलभ्यं पुनः तत्त्वव्यक्ततया सुदुर्गमतरं चित्तस्य तस्माद्विभो त्वत्प्रेमात्मकभक्तिरेव सततं स्वाधीयसी श्रेयसी. दशकं 2, श्लोका 9. अत्यायासकराणि कर्मपटलान् आश्चर्यनिर्यन्मलाः बोधे भक्तिपते तवाप्युचितताम् आयान्ति किं तावता क्लिष्ट्वा तर्कपते परं तव वपुः ब्रह्माख्यमन्ये पुनः चित्राद्रत्वमृते विचिन्त्य बहुभिः सिद्ध्यन्ति जन्मान्तरैः. दशकं 2, श्लोका 10. त्वद्भक्तिस्तु कतारतामृतजरी निर्मज्जनेन स्वयं सिद्ध्यन्ति विमलप्रबोधपदवीम् अक्लेशतस्थन्वती सद्यः सिद्धिकरी जयत्ययि विभो सैवास्तु मे त्वत्पद प्रेम प्रौढिरसाद्रताद्रुततरं वातालयाधीश्वर. हरे कृष्णा. गोविन्दनाम संकीर्तनं गोविन्दा गोविन्दा. नारायण अखिलगुरो भगवन्नमस्ते. श्री हरये नमः. श्री महापेरियवा शरणम्.